Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
We can customize the files, folders, and partitions view aside. So where we do these things, we do it on folder option. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how to use this part of our Windows. So let's jump to screen.
Okay, this is the Windows 10 course, but after this part of the video, I'm going to do it on Windows 11. The easiest way to open that is open this PC, go to the View tab, press Option, change folder and search option. When you press apply, it means that save the changes and don't close the tab because I want to add or do several things. But when you press OK, it means that I want to close the tab and I do the things I want. Again, in here, when you want to open the folder option, you need to click in here, then press option. Folder option, it will be open. This is the way that you can open it on Windows 11. When you install your Windows, it will be on the quick access, and when you double click and open this PC, instead of seeing the files, folders, and these kind of things, you will see the quick access part. This is the you can change it in here. Browse folders. The first one is open the folder in the same window. Okay, and the second one is open that folder on another window. What does it mean? Let me open a folder. For example, I want to open this Tor browser file. When I double click that, and this folder open. Okay, I want to go to the browser. When I click in here, it will be open on the same window. But when we choose this one, it will be open on a new window like this. Let me. When you double click this, you will see the information in another window, in another tab. This is browse folder do. Click items as follows. In here is double click. Okay, but when you select this one, it is single click. For example, if you want to open this one, you just do a single click, not a double click. This is for the Windows XP and before versions. We have this option, point to select, and single click to select. When you use point to select, I just point it and it will be selected. But in here I need to press a single click to select the file. I told this to you. In here on the privacy tab, the first one is show your recent use files in the quick access if you want, and the other one is show frequently used folders in quick access. It says that your files and folders that you use on the Windows, for example in several days, can I show them on the quick access and makes your work easier or not. It depends on you. If you want, you can enable, and if you want, you can disable that. In here, clear file explorer history. When you press clear your file explorer history, it will be clear, like when you install your Windows and boot it as the first time. Restore defaults. For example, you do something wrong on this part and this part, you press restore defaults, all of the same, it will be set as default. When you open a folder or a file, for example, like, let me open it, a folder, or for example, open this folder. On the first time, you will see it as a detail. The view type of that is a detail view type. If you want, and if you change it, for example, you change it like this, the second time you open that, you won't see it as detail anymore, and it will be a list. This is large thumbnail. You won't see it as details anymore, and it will be saved on your PC. We have a few options. We need to check it with each other. So let's go and see them. Always show icons, never thumbnails. It means that it will just show you the icon, not the thumbnail. For example, if you open a picture in your PC, you just see the icon of that, icon of the, for example, PDF. You won't see the thumbnail. When the display file size information in folder tips is disabled, let me, for example, go open YouTube. The information of the file size and these things, we won't see it on here. We'll just see one item selected. We won't see the folder detail. Hidden files and folders. Don't show hidden files, folders, or drives. Show hidden files, folders, and drive. When you enable this one, you will see the hidden files, folders, and drive, and when you disable that, you won't see them. If you want to know and find out how to hidden a file or a folder on Windows, you can watch our video that I published. You can watch this and learn. I told everything about hide files and folders on that one video. Hide empty drives. It means that when a drive is empty, I want to hide it. If you don't want this and you just want to see the empty drives, you can disable this one. Hide extensions for known file type. Okay, with this one, if you don't know what is it, you need to watch our extension video, file name extension video. Okay, if you want, you can watch this video. But for example, it is PDF, .pdf. This is a file name extension. .pdf is the file name extension. Or let me. Okay, for example, this mp4.mp4 is a file name extension. File name extension. File name extension. Zip is file name extension. These are file name extension. I just want to tell this to you. Okay, when you enable that, you can't see the file name extensions. All done is view. Then go to the search. The first one, how to search. When this one is enabled, it didn't index for searching files. The search process, it will be take 1 or 2 days, and this is not a good thing, and I recommend to use everything file search option. As you see, for example, I type no operating system of the Windows is fast as this application. When I type, it will be short, and I create a video just for search everything. And if you want, you can watch and use this software. This is the best searching software on Windows, and I highly recommend use this one instead of the search option in here. This one is search on system directory. If it's enabled, it will be searching on system directory. And in here it says, can I search on compressed files, on zip file, rar file? Can I open them and search the files? For example, this thing I told you in here, it says, can I open this and search it, this file's name on that, and tell it to you on the search result. And if it is enabled, you will see this. All done. This is all of the things about folder option on Windows. I said a part of that on Windows 10, and I changed this on Windows 11 and tell the other things because It's better to see both of the operating systems when Windows 11 is enabled. So all done. If you like this content, press the like button, and if you have any question, type it on the comment section. I will create a video and answer your question. And I tag you and say I create this video just for you. Have a nice day. See you on the
Another one, another one, another one, another one, another one, and another one.